Have you ever wondered what the best way is to make a woman regret leaving you? When someone walks away from your life, your first instinct might be to chase them. You might want to prove your worth. You might want to explain yourself. But the Stoic way teaches something very different. The Stoic way teaches strength. The Stoic way teaches dignity. The Stoic way teaches self-respect above all else. Welcome back to my channel, Life You Dream in Actions. In this channel, we learn about self-improvement, relationships, financial success, and more. First, you need to understand this. You do not control other people. You only control your own actions. You only control your own mind. If a woman chooses to walk away, let her. Accept reality as it is. Acceptance is the first step in gaining power over your emotions. Do not beg. Do not plead. Do not even ask why. A Stoic man understands that her choice is not about him. It is about her. People leave because of their own reasons. People leave because of their own weaknesses or desires. It is not your job to fix someone who does not want to stay. Second, focus on yourself. Become better. Not for her. Not to make her jealous, but because self-improvement is your duty. Work on your body. Work on your mind. Build your career. Build your dreams. Become a man so great that losing you is her biggest mistake. Imagine her looking back months later. She sees you happier. She sees you stronger. She sees you more successful than ever before. That is how you make her regret it. Not by chasing, not by crying, but by growing in silence. Growth speaks louder than any words you could ever say. Third, control your emotions. Stoics teach that emotions are natural, but they must be ruled. You are allowed to feel sadness. You are allowed to feel disappointment. But you are not allowed to be ruled by it. Feel it. Understand it. Then release it. Every setback is a lesson. Every heartbreak is a teacher. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I become better because of this? When you think like this, you turn pain into power. Fourth, live with purpose. Women are attracted to men with direction. If she left because you were lost, then find yourself. Find your mission. Find what sets your soul on fire. Wake up every day chasing your goals. Chase your dreams. Do not chase her. A Stoic man knows his value, does not depend on anyone's opinion. He knows he was worthy before she came. He knows he is worthy after she leaves. Fifth, remain silent. One of the most powerful moves you can make is silence. Do not try to prove your worth. Do not try to show off. Let your actions speak. Let time reveal the truth. She will wonder why you are not chasing her. She will wonder why you are not begging. She will wonder why you seem so strong. And when she wonders, regret begins to grow, not because you wanted it, but because you live with honor. Lastly, remember this. Regret should never be your goal. Your goal is peace. Your goal is self-respect. Your goal is growth. If regret happens along the way, it is only a side effect, not your mission. You are not living to impress her. You are living to become the best version of yourself. That is the Stoic way. That is the powerful way. That is the way a true man walks after loss. In the end, the greatest revenge is no revenge. The greatest statement is silence. The greatest transformation is personal greatness. So next time someone walks away from your life, do not chase. Do not cry. Stand tall. Smile quietly. Work harder. Dream bigger. Move forward. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship advice. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other. Thanks for watching.